Hello, hello, hello. This is Latanya, Miss Coach Deloach. Let me perk up a little bit. So, I'm going to show you the benefits of joining my Econ, whether or not you already have a business, right? Or you don't have a business idea, and this would be your home based business. So it's for people that's already have business owners and they need to get educated on what their business tax deduction should be and how to keep good record keeping of them. It's financial education software. So let me log in to my back office. Also, I have these booklets by Grant Cardone, um, and he teaches a lot of these concepts, right? It's the millionaire booklets. I'm going to give them away sooner or later about how to turn taxes into income. Like, so by now, you're either a member or you're already contemplating membership. And so the very first thing you want to do is to look at your quick start orientation and your income shifting membership. Now, I already have a video as well to complement this on my YouTube channel that's teaching how to make the adjustments to your W 4, right? And so once you become a member and you make that adjustment to your W 4, because now you're leveraging that with business tax deductions, right? Then you want to turn in that W 4 to your HR, your job, and your human resources. You can Google 2018 W 4, get that W 4 in PDF format, and watch these videos and make those adjustments. Now, also as a affiliate, you have these cashback miles benefits. So I use them mostly for my favorite store, which is Sam's Club, Priceline. So when I book through this engine and the appliances, like a lot of people, Walmart, grocery shopping, or just booking online and picking up, especially Sam's. Now, not only do you get that convenience of picking up your things online or paying online and getting it shipped to you, but now you also can get the cashback advantages as well as travel. When you're booking hotels and you're traveling, you will want to go to your discount travel site, and this has your reference link, your My Econ affiliate link. And when you book through this search engine on your My Econ website, you get cash back as well, right? So both of those are win-win situations. So now let's go into the training of how to keep your cash flow strategies, your business miles, business tax deductions. So this is the cash flow management app. And so when you go into Cashflow Manager, I have some things in here. This is a business trip I took August 25th to do credit coaching services. This was a Nike. I have three businesses, right? This was a nice. So this Cashflow Manager is just not for your My Econ business. It's for any business that you need to know how to input your business tax deductions. This was a Super Saturday event with My Econ. Um, and this is some more basketball training. So this is what my cash flow manager looked like. Now, if I want to create a new cash flow manager, I just select that, and this is to keep up with all your business miles and business tax deduction. The cool thing about this is that you also download this on your phone, on your app, right? And so once you select cash flow manager on your phone, it has the same things. It keeps it in the cloud, and you record your business miles and all other your meals, your internet, square footage of your home, um, any hotel expenses will go into this, and it keeps it for your tax professional and your business tax deductions at the end of the year. So now, if your plan is to be free of debt elimination, let's look into this and see what I've created. It asks you what are your top five financial goals, right? My number one goal, and this is what Grant Cardone teaches in the Millionaire Booklet, is before you look to get a second job or whatever the situation may be, you need to learn how to increase the income on a current job that you have, learn how to increase the current flow of income or cash flow that you have now, right? And they carry on over unto the bigger income or promotions or things that you might get. And that's what we teach about how to correctly adjust and complete your W-4. So my number two objective was save for my daughter's college education. Number three was pay off our debt, reduce my taxes. I've already did that, so it wasn't one of my big priorities. And number five was pay off our debt, including mortgage. So what this do is give you a retirement free goal. It give you like a debt elimination plan. Let's say if I enter something like Best Buy, and then the balance owed, it taps you into this. And then my minimum payment, it says it's going to be $35 a month. I add that. And then let's say if I want to add my mortgage. So let's say if it's 135,000, and let's say my month payment is like 1,100. You tap all of these things in, and then you also tap the things in that have your recurring monthly expenses, right? And then it gives you a strategy of what debt to pay off once everything is plugged in, and how, what order to help you to learn how to eliminate it and pay it off in that order. And so once you learn all of the business tax deductions, again, whether you have your own independent business and you want to tap in and use this software and tools, or you just say, okay, I'm new to becoming a business owner, and I do want to leverage business tax deductions and pay less taxes from my job. I'm a W-2 employee, but yet get business tax deductions on my lifestyle and things I'm doing every day and expenses that I'm spending out. And this is how you do it. So the very first thing you want to do, the third thing you want to do after you set up your direct deposit, after you learn how to adjust your W-4, is now go and set your cash flow manager. Now I have an iPhone, so simply on my iPhone, I select the apps menu. I'm sorry, and then I select, I type in my Econ, and your cash flow manager website will appear, and this is how you catch your receipts. Also, when you're going out to eat, right? For business meetings. You capture the receipts, you take a picture of the receipts, you store it in the cloud, you you clap, select the business mile, your GPS mileage. When you're driving, you can enter that manually, or you just select it, and it will automatically calculate your miles. And so your cash flow manager, when you sign in into the app, then you automatically enter in your username that you created for your website and your password, right? It'll ask you to enter the business type, and then you select create, right? Let's say, and now I'm going to take a trip, maybe to another state or Texas or Louisiana, and then it asks you to enter in your odometer, your vehicle that you're driving, and then you start. It says to start your GPS tracking. Now it said less than 1 mile, and when you end your trips or whatever business miles you may do, it will automatically save in the cloud. So this is how a quick video on how to utilize the business tax deduction for any business that you can plug into, if it's just not my econ.